Como embaixadores e embaixadoras de nossas próprias culturas, temos o grande trabalho de construir pontes interculturais de diálogo para acabar com desentendimentos e estereótipos, que frequentemente são explorados pela mídia. Para resolver estes problemas, precisamos ir além deste fórum e usar a nossa experiência educacional em nossas comunidades. Nós, como estudantes do mundo, acreditamos que a educação precisa ser acessível a qualquer indivíduo. Nós recomendamos a cada um de vocês que parem um instante e considerem que o ambiente educacional está cada dia mais diversificado e conectado. Por isso, a educação precisa refletir essa nova realidade. Obrigada.
We bring the importance of media exploitation as we become platform for social concepts. When youth play a big role in decision making, they can observe the stereotypes of the media sometimes generates. We also firmly believe that the media can be used to increase understanding, dispel stereotypes, and this is how we work with media. We, as ambassadors for our cultures, demand a stamp of human rights declaration in our passports, so they are respected wherever we travel. Obrigado, Wilson.
I'm sorry, could you maybe just say where you come from all because we don't know exactly.
I'm Junior from Nigeria. We, as migrants and seekers of mobility, strongly encourage government to base their policies on an inclusive model of coexistence. We, as those most deeply affected by the current social and economic conditions, strongly recommend that youth protection, economic and social, should be ensured. Also, investments in youth or in the youth sector need to substantially increase to allow youth to realize their full potential. More particularly, youth unemployment needs to be urgently addressed by both the public and private sector. Thank you.
I'm here. One of the outcomes of the youth event of the Istanbul Forum and taking into consideration the community we expressed in the youth event of the New York Forum, we anticipate that we will be again in October 2010 with the first convention of the global youth movement for the Alliance of Civilizations. Your partnership in strengthening the involvement of youth from all corners of the world in the Alliance of Civilizations is clearly needed. It is easy for us to give our recommendations, but we, the young leaders at the Alliance of Civilizations, Rio Forum, want to assure each of you that we are also taking responsibility with these recommendations. We should each lead by example